1998 in Kolar Goldfields, Karnataka, to Mr. Rangarajan and Mrs. Padma Rangarajan. He belongs to a Tamil Brahmin family and grew up playing with his younger brother Karthik. When he was 2.5 years old, he was diagnosed with autism, and this was a heartbreaking moment for his parents. They didn't know what autism is, but they decided to send him to school. He was sent to kindergarten, Kamala Garden School at Jayanagar, Bangalore. This is an inclusive school for more than 30 years. After finishing his nursery at Kamala Gardens, he joins Vrindavan School at Jayanagar for his primary education. Sridhar was notorious and full of mischief during his childhood. He was also good at studies. At the age of 11, he found his love for painting. He completed his 10th and did his 12th from National Institute of Open Schooling. He got his first job in Fame India and later moved to Delhi Public School as data entry operator at Enable India. His life changed in 2012 when he joined SAP Labs India as software tester. He gives a tough time to his developers by testing applications and identifying bugs. Sridhar, with his sincere nature and innocence, has won many hearts and is a role model of his team. He is known for his beautiful smile and cool dressing sense at work. Sridhar is a fitness freak. He goes to gym, he practices yoga, and he also runs. Painting makes Sridhar's life colorful. He specializes in nature painting. He has the ability to capture nature on the canvas as it is. There's some special magic in his hands that brings life to the canvas. He loves to play with acrylic and oil paints. Each painting gives us a message to live life to the fullest. His talent was recognized and unleashed at India Inclusion Summit 2018. This made his family feel proud and happy. Sridhar says all this would not have been possible without the support of his parents. Sridhar redefines the notion of being autistic with his good communication and social skills. Autism is just a medical condition and not a disability. Everyone is good at something, only when we open our hearts and see.
The World Autism Awareness Day small axis of consideration is go a long way in making more human communities. World Autism Day come 2021 in order to make the human community to regard to autism. We first need to shun the stigma and discrimination based on the neurological disorders. United Nations General Assembly in 2007 has declared as April 2nd as World Autism Day. The World Autism Day is observed to highlight the need to help to improve the quality of life of those with this disability. In New Delhi, on April 2nd every year, the World Autism Day is observed globally to foster understanding about the people with autism and spread kindness about them. In 2007, the United Nations General Assembly declared on April 2nd as World Autism Day to highlight the need to help to improve the quality of life of those with this disability so that they can lead a meaningful life and be an integral part of our society. Need of the right attitude. In our society, the people with disabilities, including autism, are seen as the outcast, as a pariah. People try to avoid them and even go to the extent of them and harassing them. Thus, the World Autism Day serves a vital tool to develop an inclusive and caring society to ensure that children and adults with autism can live a life with dignity. Autism disorder or ASD is a development disorder and doesn't have any cure. Shunning stigma and discrimination. Stigma and discrimination are still prevalent with regard to disabilities associated with neurological disorders. These are the two factors to serve as the hindrance to the diagnosis and the therapies of autism. The society in general, policymakers and in particular, need to work on how to address the problems of stigma and discrimination in this regard. Dealing in autism. Wait.
Take your time, Shiva.
Sure. Yeah, dealing in autistic people, first of all, there is a big need for empathy for kids and adults suffering from the disorders, to listen to their problems and acknowledge their struggle with getting angry and or irritated. The child should be taught to express the anger without getting aggressive. The children need not to be counseled that not have to hide their anger and frustration within. The rate of autism across all regions of the world is high. The lack of understanding in this regard has a tremendous impact on the individuals, their families, and communities. So, developing a positive approach in this regard can be possible by having a greater awareness about autism and the ways to deal with to make a human and a kind hearted society.